in previous video I told you about transpose of matrices. So remaining part of this chapter we will continue. So let's just start it. Properties of transpose. So A dash whole dash is equals to A. I told you in previous video row convert into column and column convert into row. So A is equals to A dash, then A dash का whole dash is equals to A. Then A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. And third one is A B whole dash is equals to B dash A dash. Then K is constant, A dash is equals to K A dash. Then A B C whole dash is equals to C dash B dash A dash. So now let's take an example. If A is equals to this, then find A dash. So A is equals to 2, 3, root 2 minus 2, 0, 2 by 5. Then A dash is equals to, this is row, so convert into column. So 2 root 2, 0, 3 minus 2, 2 by 5. This is A dash. So now take another example. If A is equals to this and B is equals to this, then show that A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. So take LHS. A plus B whole dash. Then first find A plus B. Then put the value. A is equals to 2 minus 7, 8, 3 plus B is equals to minus 1, 2, 3 minus 4. Then add them. 2 minus 1 minus 7 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 3 minus 4, then 2 minus 1, 1 minus 7 plus 2 minus 5, 8 plus 3, 11, 3 minus 4 minus 1, then A plus B whole dash is equals to row convert into column and column convert into row. 1, 11 minus 5 minus 1. This is the value of A plus B whole dash. Now this is the value of A plus B whole dash. Then take RHS. A dash plus B dash. So A is equals to 2 minus 7, 8, 3 and A dash is equals to row converted to column. So 2, 8 minus 3. B is equals to minus 1, 3, 2 minus 4. B dash is equals to minus 1, 3, 2 minus 4. Then put the value. A dash plus B dash is equals to 2, 8 minus 7, 3 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 4. Then solve. 2 minus 1 minus 7 plus 2, 8 plus 3 3 minus 4, then 2 minus 1 1, 8 plus 3 11, minus 7 plus 2 minus 5, 3 minus 4 minus 1. So this is the value of a plus b whole dash, and this is the value of a dash plus b dash. Both are equal. So now let's talk about symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So symmetric matrix, a dash is equals to a. This is the property. And skew symmetric, a dash is equals to minus a. So now take an example. Consider the matrix A is equals to this. Then show that A is equals to A dash. Then A is equals to 4 root 2 1 by 3. Then A dash. So 4 root 2 1 by 3. Row convert into column and column convert into row. So A is equals to A dash. So this is symmetric matrix. So now let's talk about skew symmetric matrix. So take an example. If A dash is equals to this, then show that minus A is skew symmetric matrix. So A dash is equals to 0 minus 5 5 0, and interchange row convert into column and column convert into row. So 0 5 minus 5 0. So this is equals to A dash is equals to minus A. Hence this is skew symmetric matrix. So now take a question. For any square metric R with real number entries, prove that first one is A plus A dash is symmetric and second one is A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Let A be square metric with real number. So first one is A plus A dash, then whole dash. So A dash A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. Then A dash plus A dash whole dash. So A dash whole dash is equals to A. Then A dash plus A. So A dash plus B is equals to B plus A. So A plus A dash. Hence A plus A dash is symmetric. So now second one is A minus A dash whole dash. We know A minus B dash is equals to A dash minus B dash. So A dash minus A dash whole dash. We know a dash whole dash is equals to a. Then a dash minus a, then minus is common, so a minus a dash. So hence minus a dash is Q symmetric. If you understand this and if you like it, so please like, comment and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.